चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. Today's topic is very interesting because it is related to all students. Yes, I am going to discuss about 6 common mistakes that we all students make and will also tell you how to rectify them. So, without further ado, let's start the video. First is no time management. Time management is one of the most important thing in a student's life. Those who manage their study time and play time well, they can achieve everything easily. Students often waste most of their time in watching TV or playing. We have to set our time for everything like study, reading, playtime, and if you still have spare time, then do creative things. Manage your time to manage your life. Next is negative thoughts. Students always compare themselves with other students. Stop comparing. Whenever we are unable to complete any task or we score low in exams, negative thoughts like I am not worth it, I am not capable, etc. surround ourselves. Negative thoughts make it harder to achieve even simple goals. Change your mindset by replacing negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Start with setting simple goals for you and then move to the harder part. And always think and stay positive. Next is bad company or peer. We all have friends. Always make friends who have dreams and goals in life. Good friends will help and motivate you to achieve your goals in life, whereas friends with negative mindset will always divert you from your goals. Choose a friend who motivates you, encourages you, or even scolds you for your good. And avoid friends who discourage you or who become jealous of your achievements. Next is not taking breaks. While studying, either we just do not take break or take long breaks. It is very important to take breaks between your study time to break the monotony. Small breaks relaxes your mind and body and make you feel refreshed for your next study task. With small breaks, you will be able to focus better on your studies. Next is doing easy things and ignoring hard tasks. Students generally complete all easy tasks and assignments first, and then due to lack of interest or energy, they ignore difficult tasks. While studying, eat the frog first. Work on the hard or tough task first when your energy levels are high. This is what I do when I study or learn things. But I do the exact reverse when I attempt the question paper during exams. I complete all the short or quick questions first and then attempt the long questions. Try this and you will be amazed with the results. Last is learning without understanding. Many students just mug up the chapters before exams without even understanding the content. Always read and understand the chapter, then always make handmade notes and then learn the chapter. This way, you will be able to write the answers of all twisted questions by yourself. So, understand first and then learn. I hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching. Wait for more interesting content in future. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान। ना हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू। बाय बाय।